Alright, dude. I'm S.P.E.A.R Cribs, dog. Yo, this is where we watch TV and stuff. Follow me, man. Let's go. Alright, this is where the magic happens, dog.
Still smells like your fart, right?
This is where I be pounding some ladies up in there in the Love Castle, dog. These my bros up in here. My porcelain throne, y'all. That's where I take my dumps. Damn. Keep on going. Yeah, when I walk, I listen to music in my own head, dog. Make my own beats. Wash my clothes. And that stank off me, dog. Room number 2. Got chairs and shit. Refrigerator, fire alarm, sprinkler, lamp. All the home necessities. My boy Corey, with a gun. Because we know we don't mess around up in this bitch. Porcelain throw number 2. My man, another love castle. Another love castle. You got plenty of room up in this bitch.
Corey's room is a love castle.
Alright, yo. Exit sign, fire alarms, closets, more bedrooms. Love making up in here.
This room's dark. What's going on in here?
Yeah, you know Ben likes sleeping the lights off. Boom! Check it out. Another porcelain throne. More love making. S.P.E.A.R Cribs, dog. Represent. Yeah, and I also wear my BDU bottoms down like this too, you know? Around this bitch. Yeah. Oh. And the best part of it all, the kitchen! I've been making, you know, mama's homemade Cajun fried chicken, rice pilaf, hot pockets, pizza rolls, Gatorade. Corey can't touch that shit right there. And that's pretty much it. Peace!
Alternate polar.
Suppression.